UAE Free Zones are a fantastic opportunity for businesses. But, things can get tricky if you misuse them. Meet Galaxy Trading FZCO, a UAE Free Zone company trading electronics across the Middle East. They enjoy 0% corporate tax, but only if they meet strict conditions as a qualifying Free Zone person, or QFZP. Khalid, the CEO, wants to grow. Ahmed, the trading manager, lands a massive AED 10 million deal, their first big mainland customer, Sunlight Stores. But here's the catch. Selling to the mainland? That could mean a 9% tax. Ahmed suggests a workaround. Galaxy sells the goods to StarTech LLC, a friend's Free Zone company, which then resells them to Sunlight. On paper, it's Free Zone to Free Zone. Sounds clever, right? Not so fast. So, Fatima, the CFO, notices that the goods went straight to Sunlight. StarTech never even touched them. This triggers a problem, the beneficial recipient rule. According to Cabinet Decision Number 100 of 2023, for a Free Zone sale to count as 0% taxable, the buyer must be the real user of the goods, not just a middleman. StarTech? Well, they were just a conduit. The true beneficial recipient was Sunlight. So that 10 million dirhams? It's non-qualifying income, taxable at 9%. Now here's the real scare. Galaxy earned a total of 100 million dirhams. The 10 million dirhams of non-qualifying income makes up 10%, which is actually double the 5% allowed by the de minimis rule. Breaching that threshold could mean losing QFZP status for 5 years and taxing all income at 9%. In a last-minute save, they delay 75% of the deal to the next year, reducing this year's non-qualifying income to just AED 2.5 million, exactly 5%. Crisis averted. Lesson learned. No more conduit deals. Always identify the real beneficial recipient. Track qualifying versus non-qualifying income closely. And set up a mainland branch for future local sales. Galaxy nearly lost its tax benefit, but got a second chance. If you're doing business in a UAE Free Zone, know who you're really selling to and structure your deals the right way. Stay smart, stay compliant, keep your 0%. Like, share and subscribe FintEdu for more UAE tax and compliance insights.